in West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County until noon. At 11:13 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Baltimore, or near Lancaster, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glenford, Somerset, and Thornville. For today and tonight, severe storms will be